LG's oven range with ProBake Convection delivers even bacon results on every rack, every time. Using your LG ProBake oven is easy. Start by selecting a cooking mode. Set your desired temperature and press start to preheat. Once the oven is ready, a tone will sound and the oven light will blink on and off. You can set the oven to cook for a specific length of time by selecting cook time. Enter your desired length of cook time and press start. Convection bake mode is great for baking cookies, biscuits, and other baked goods, and the convection roast is ideal for cooking meats and poultry. When using convection modes, please note that temperatures displayed have been auto-converted for the convection cooking modes and will display a temperature 25 degrees lower than the temperature set. To disable the auto-conversion function, choose Settings and toggle the button until Auto appears on the display. Select 1 to disable or enable auto-conversion and press Start to accept the change. The Warm feature will keep cooked food warm for up to 3 hours at 170 degrees. Place your food into the oven and select the Warm button on your control panel to enable this mode. You can also set the oven to automatically enter warming mode by pressing the Warm button once the cook time has been set. The warming mode will deactivate automatically after 3 hours and will play a tone or melody every minute to indicate that the warm function has been deactivated. Press the clear off button to clear this function. You can also turn off the warm feature at any time during operation by pressing the clear off button.